First Phosphate is a mineral development and clean tech company dedicated to building and onshoring a vertically integrated mine-to-market lithium iron phosphate LFP battery supply chain for North America. Target markets include energy storage, data centers, robotics, mobility, and national security apparatus. LFP batteries now represent over 63% of global battery production, which is concentrated mostly in Asia. The LFP battery industry is projected to grow from $18.7 billion to $90.3 billion over the next 10 years. Onshoring the LFP battery supply chain is critical to industrial and national security. First Phosphate has recently produced perhaps the first ever commercial-grade LFP battery cells using North American critical minerals, including high-purity phosphoric acid and iron powder from its own mineral property. This has been possible through advanced commercial technology collaboration and strategic partnerships with global industry leaders, local industry, and Indigenous partners. First Phosphate's Bégin-Lamarche property in Saguenay-Lac-Saint-Jean, Quebec, is one of the world's rare igneous phosphate resources. The resource yields high-purity phosphate with minimal impurities for the production of LFP cathode active battery material. The property is next to major existing road and electrical infrastructure, workforce, and just 70 kilometers driving distance from the deep-sea Port of Saguenay, where the company will be installing its downstream processing facilities to supply definitive European offtake agreements as well as other North American and global markets. First Phosphate has recently received a $16.7 million contribution from the federal government of Canada for the development of its mineral deposit into battery-grade phosphate material for the LFP battery industry. According to the U.S. Defense Industrial Base Consortium, the First Phosphate solution appears to be technically and economically viable, and that phosphate, particularly for use in LFP CAM, is essential to national security. Having a domestic source greatly reduces foreign dependency over the LFP market. Benchmark Minerals also places high-purity battery-grade phosphate as the second most required material, after copper, in support of the energy transition. The need for high-purity phosphate potentially supersedes that of nickel, graphite, lithium, cobalt, manganese, and rare earths. First Phosphate trades on the OTCQX as ticker symbol FRSPF. On the OTCQX as an American Depository Receipt as ticker symbol FPHOY, on the Canadian Securities Exchange as ticker symbol PHOS, on TradeGate and the Frankfurt Stock Exchange as ticker symbol KD0. Please visit firstphosphate.com for more company information.